These are our math textbooks that we use in class.
It is aligned to the PA core. This book is available online and each child has access to the book.
This is our PSSA math workbook. It is used in PSSA prep class.
Here are the tools we need to bring each day to math class. Our textbook,
our math vocabulary book,
our homework, our calculators, our dry erase markers and pencils, and our Chromebooks. Our math homework assignments are written on the assignment board each day. It is our responsibility to copy our homework in our planners every day. We are given advance notice for all our tests and quizzes. In 5th grade, we have a homework policy. You will receive 15 points every 9 weeks for completing your homework. If you misplace, lose, or forget to do your homework, you will receive a homework slip.
This is the form that you will receive if your child is not doing their homework. Please sign and return.
Each day, we will have study time to get started with our math homework. During this time, we can have extra help from our math teachers.
For each 9 weeks, you will receive points for the following: quizzes, tests, study islands, RQs, which are quizzes that we have almost every week. Weekly math. We will be given our weekly math on Mondays and due on Fridays. Our last grade is homework, which is assigned in our math books or worksheets. In health class, we complete many in-class activities. We also have Lawrence County drug and alcohol lessons. Health grades occur twice a year. We are graded on tests, quizzes, and projects. Language arts includes spelling, English, and reading.
You should receive homework emails from your language art teacher.
This is our spelling workbook.
Our spelling assignments are due on Thursdays.
Our spelling test on Fridays and consistent of 20 words.
The test will be completed on our Chromebooks.
We are encouraged to use Spelling City to practice our words with study skills, interactive games, and practice tests.
This is our English book. We will learn the parts of speech and writing skills this year. We will have homework daily and have small quizzes a few times a week.
All of our work will be kept in our English interactive notebooks.
Oh, that's a nice. Each journal entry will consist of 5 journals entries demonstrating strong writing skills in paragraph form.
This includes a topic sentence supporting details and concluding sentences.
Journals may be typed on a computer or neatly written, and parents are encouraged to look over journal entries before they are turned in.
Our English grades will include quizzes, tests, projects, journal entries, and other writing assignments.
These are reading books.
This Wonder series has complex text that we will use to learn how to complete several reading strategies to help us engage in the text.
We will learn how to read for understanding, reread a prompt to use text evidence to promote our inference skills,
and integrate critical thinking skills with written responses to become a better reader.
Similar to our math book, our reading book is also online.
All you need is to sign on. This will be available to access at home in the near future.
We have not 1 but 2 reading books. We will use this book with the key symbol for days 1 and 2.
And in this book we have a lock symbol on day 3, 4, and 5.
We also have this reading workbook to help us take notes and practice our reading strategies.
We will become better at communicating during discussion with collaborative conversations through our weekly essential question.
We will have comprehension quizzes on some of our stories, vocabulary quizzes, and end of the unit tests.
The unit test will assess our skills on the strategies we learned during the week, along with a writing section compare and contrast 2 short stories.
We will also be graded on projects, some writing responses through GDA, and AR points.
Soon we'll be starting Accelerated Reader.
We are encouraged to pass the AR test with 80% or higher, as we are reading books at our independent level, and we will be able to comprehend the content.
We will track our AR progress through our AR-opoly bulletin board.
We will earn 4 points, 6 points, 8 points, and finally 10 points, respectively, each 9 weeks.
When completing our homework in any subject, such as spelling, English, and reading, we know to write down our assignments in our agenda each day.
Hopefully we don't see one of these. It's a homework slip. If we misplace, lose, or do not complete our homework 3 times in each subject per 9 weeks, we will receive a 5% decrease in our grades.
If we do bring home a homework slip, please sign it and return it to our language arts teacher the very next day.
We will become better equipped by practicing for the reading PSSA during prep time with passages that are aligned with the PA standards.
The tools that we need to bring to our science and social studies blocks are
Scott Forsman science books,
Scott Forsman social studies books,
Study guides, lab sheets,
Scholastic news.
Throughout the year, we will have light homework in our science and social studies blocks.
Review games will occur before quizzes and tests.
We will also complete several labs throughout the year.
We will get to build and launch a model rocket at the end of the year. Our social studies and science grades will be based on quizzes
And chapter tests that could be open book or take home.
projects, labs, scholastic news, and graded homework.
Thank you for coming to Open House. We hope you have enjoyed yourselves.
If you have any questions or concerns about in any subject, please contact your child's teacher.
We are looking forward to an awesome year.
Please sign the sheet at your child's classroom so that we know you were here.
As you can see, we are very busy in 5th grade. Our teachers will encourage us along the way and continue to help us try our very best. We will be working to promote kindness in 5th grade.
When someone does a kind gesture,
Give him or her a shout out by posting a post-it note on our kindness bulletin board.
Don't worry if you miss something in the video.
A link will be posted on Google Classroom for you to view over and over again.
At this time, you are invited to take a tour of the school. Don't forget to stop in and see each of your child's teachers.
Have a wonderful night and thank you for coming!